congratulations. That's the only thing I can really say if you've made it all the way up to this point.
Yeah.
We have been looking at tools and options like crazy. I mean, we've now gone through all polygon tools, all polygon workflows, options, etc. We moved into the polygon gun. We had a lot of fun with that. From there, we took a look at all of the NURBS tools, and things got technical.
Yes, they did.
There's a lot of cool stuff there. But then we wrapped it all up with a lot of NURBS workflow stuff that was nice and smooth and made it not really feel that bad, you know?
NURBS is not that bad.
Nah.
It's just something else to get used to.
And then from there, what did we do? We moved into the goggles, little NVG action that we'll be using for our character a little bit later on.
Those things are cool, man. I want some.
Mr. Mega Spy with his groovy little toys and all.
Yeah.
And that was a lot of fun. And it allowed us to get in there and make use of a lot of the different NURBS tools that were available when working with curves and, of course, generating surfaces. Now, before we move into our first character, Dash, which, as you guys know, will be completely modeled through NURBS, we are going to kind of mix these two worlds together and get you just a little bit more comfortable pushing and pulling vertices and CVs. That's right. What we're going to do now is we're going to model out this Lamborghini Murcielago. And as Zach kind of pans around, it'll kind of give you an idea of what's going on. There's about 35 hours worth of video to get this thing complete.
Give or take.
And I can tell you guys now, Zach's never really happy, right?
No.
Zach really doesn't even want to show this yet because he says, I want to tweak for another week.
That's right.
Everybody's going to want to tweak. You know what? That's fine. I respect that. But the bottom line is here's the car. Now, if he wants to tweak it later for perfection, that's cool. And I encourage you guys to tweak as well because that is the love of modeling.
Oh, yeah.
It's all about tweaking. You'll notice here that we've not put a lot of detail in the engine. And the undercarriage is even less detailed.
Well, the undercarriage is just kind of there. It's a filler so that nobody goes like, oh, the car's hollow. You know?
Yeah, exactly, which is what it pretty much was to begin with.
Right.
There is a complete interior inside, and the exterior has all of the pieces that you're going to find on a real Lamborghini Murcielago. So it's been a lot of fun putting this together. There's been a lot of modeling that's going on.
A lot of time.
And it's going to mix the methods, as I was saying. Basically, what you guys are going to be looking at is going to be how to deal with polygonal modeling, low-res, high-res, how to work with that and NURBS at the same time. As a matter of fact, we're going to begin this model by creating a curve network, and we're going to use this NURBS curve network as an interesting means for snapping polygons so that we can create raw polygons, which will allow us to generate our model even faster than if we start out with a box.
Essentially, we're going to take our image planes, our drawn images, we're going to create a curve network derived from those so that we have a 3D cage or structure that we can snap polygons to more quickly create our model.
That's right. So it's a really interesting workflow. It's something that a lot of people don't do, but I think you guys are going to completely dig it, and you're going to see how it's fast.
It is very fast.
It is really fast.
Once you get it going, I mean, it's a very nice, clean way to create a polygonal surface.
I mean, you're going to find in no time at all, Zach's going to pretty much have a car coming along.
Yeah.
And anyway, so that's pretty much the plan of attack. Just keep in mind, there will be NURBS, there will be polygon work, and, well, a lot of work. That's just the way it goes.
Just hours and hours of modeling. So get comfy. Don't rush yourself. Follow along as best you can, and that's really all there is to it.
And once you guys get this thing successfully pulled off, we'll then move from there into Dash, and you guys will be dealing with your first NURBS character from start to finish. Again, this is close to 35 hours, so get yourself comfortable, get ready, and let's get started.